In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the key features and how to get started. On this landing page, you'll find important information about the app. Take a moment to explore the content and get familiar with the features it offers. The button labeled Scan Now is your gateway to the main app. Clicking it will redirect you to the main page, unlocking access to all the exciting features. If you're not signed in or haven't signed up yet, you'll be directed to the login page. Otherwise, you'll land directly on the main page. Alright, let's click Scan Now. So here's the login page. On the left side, you'll find 3 slides highlighting the important features of this app. Our app makes hiring easier, especially for people like recruiters, by using artificial intelligence to work faster and better. The app can generate specific questions for job candidates based on their background, helping recruiters identify potential fits for a job. When recruiters upload CVs into the app, it scans them to gather important information. This data is then securely saved, keeping everything organized and easy to find. Recruiters can also download the saved information, making it easy to compare candidates and decide who might be the best fit for a job. Don't worry, you'll get there later in practice. Now, if you're new here and don't have an account, head to the right side and click Create. That'll take you to the account creation page. Be sure to remember your login details, as you'll need them when signing in. Alright. You're now on the main page. Before diving in, ensure that you've set your API key in the settings and specified a model. Keep in mind that we're utilizing OpenAI's ChatGPT, a smart language model. If you don't have one yet, visit the OpenAI platform and generate your unique API key to make use of its features. Please note that since you haven't requested yet, you won't see an option to use the default settings at the moment. Assuming your request is accepted, you'll see a switch option right at the corner. You can still choose whether to use your own settings or the default ones you requested. When you're done setting up, you can now dig in and create your first job. The job is essentially providing details about what a potential candidate is suitable for. This includes grasping the role specified by its title, learning about the company's background, understanding the daily tasks and responsibilities in the job duties, meeting the qualifications and skills outlined in the job requirements, and answering additional extra manual questions during the application, which might explore aspects beyond the generated ones. To create a job, enter detailed information about the company's background, job duties, requirements, and additional custom questions. After clicking Submit, wait for a few moments to see the generated questions. If you're not satisfied, feel free to regenerate them until you're pleased. You can also add, update, and delete each of the generated questions, as well as download them for other purposes. Don't forget to click Confirm and Submit to finalize. You'll notice that a new job has been created. Click the I button to get inside. You will be redirected to the Summaries page where each of the candidate's summaries can be seen. A candidate's summary is basically important information gathered from the uploaded CV using the generated questions. Click the plus button to upload and summarize one or more CVs. Keep in mind that the app only accepts PDF and Docs files. The processing time will vary depending on how many CVs you uploaded. To get the results immediately, uploading 1 or 2 CVs will suffice. Once you receive the results, take a moment to review them in the summaries table. Explore each summary and carefully observe the gathered information. At this point, you may decide which candidate is best suited to the role or download all summaries in CSV for other purposes. Congratulations! You have successfully covered the usage of the application. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy recruiting!